What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to stake with Livepeer. If you guys are new to the channel, this is Drake on Digital, and what we do is we talk about different cryptocurrencies, different altcoin projects, and well, how to make it in the game. So this is going to be a very quick video, but this is for Livepeer. Livepeer, we featured it on our channel maybe about a week ago, I don't know, it was like a week ago. Anyways, so be prepared. The gas fees on this are going to be nuts and ham. They are ridiculously high. There's a lot of smart contract code that has to go into this, so do keep that in mind. You are going to be spending some ETH. Here's a website I recommend checking out to see what the going rates are for gas fees. It's called txstreet.com, and it gives you a couple of the going rates. Looks like we're probably going to have a good rate, maybe around 105 gwei for a gas fee, which is ridiculous. Anyways, so Livepeer, what is Livepeer? Well, we've already explained it, so we're not going to explain it in the video. We're going to show you the staking process, and I'll leave a link at the end of this video on how to learn about Livepeer. So you need to go ahead and connect your wallet. Make sure you're on Ethereum. Now we have several different orchestrators, so you're going to stake on any of these, and you got to factor in, okay, so this is the total amount that is staked on this network. So you probably don't want to stake on one that has a high reward cut. So like 5%, that's okay. 2.5 is okay. 6. There's some that charge like 50, and then some charge 100%. What that means is when you're staking with them, you're going to get no Livepeer tokens. So you probably don't want to do that. Now you have a section where it says fees. So when these guys transcode these videos, they get Ethereum gas fees. So you probably want to select one that has also high Ethereum gas fees if you're looking to, or not gas fees, I'm sorry, high Ethereum amounts, because that way you'll get a portion of those. So you want to possibly look for someone with high Ethereum, you want to look for someone with a low delegator, and you want to look for a low Ethereum fee. Because if this is 100%, you're going to get none of the Ethereum. And then you also want to make sure this over here is like 30 out of 30. That means 30 days out of the month, every time there's a call on the tokens, they're claiming them. So that means you're going to be getting tokens every day. So that is probably something you want to look for. So you can actually sort them out by saying, okay, you don't want to do 0 out of 30. I would not recommend that. Let's do 30 out of 30s. So these are the top 30 out of 30s. Now you can factor in, okay, this guy's going to get a 30% reward cut, so I'm really only going to get 70% of the tokens. And you can verify this too. So when you go onto the network, you can stake or say how many tokens you want to stake on there. So say I want to do 100, it'll say my yearly reward is going to be 7.2 tokens. So you can keep that in mind. If you want to learn about the team you're staking to, all you got to do is click on their forum. It'll take you to their forum. It'll teach you a little bit about what they're doing. He kind of talks. You can kind of see who he is as a person, what he does. I mean, it's really kind of open source and kind of explains to you what it does. You can also become a transcoder if you want. I don't really know exactly how it works for the transcoding, as in like I don't know what hardware I need to get. I don't know what I need exactly. I prefer to buy the Livepeer tokens and stake them with someone who knows what they're doing. So you want to look for someone who has good ETH fees, a good reward cut, a low fee cut, so that way you can get a good portion of it. You can also go back into their history to see when they're claiming their inflationary token rewards. You can see this guy was pretty active in February, but March he kind of slowed off a bit. So you can see like their full history of what they're doing. So for the most part, this guy was doing a pretty good job. But you can also see that he claimed most of his ETH. This was way back when he was actually, it seemed like he was trying it out. So looks like he's mainly just using this now just to get Livepeer tokens. So you can also keep that in mind, like, hey, he might not be looking to get some more ETH again. So again, time will tell on something like this. So keep that in mind. You can see the last time he really transcoded was back on December 3rd. So maybe look for someone who is a little more active on the ETH if you're wanting to get a portion of those ETH fees. So it's almost like a math problem. You got to play around with it a bit. especially when you're going to be spending a Ethereum gas fee. You want to pick the right person to use. Alright, so it looks like we are going to select this guy, and we already paid the confirmation fee to confirm using or spending our Livepeer tokens, or staking them at least. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and stake them. I'm going to go verify what the fee is, and it is ridiculous right now. Man, guys, I hate spending these ETH gas fees. But hey, it's for a good cause, right? I'll probably plug it in. Let me refresh it to see. Maybe we'll get lucky. I'll probably plug it in at like 120 or something like that. Let's see, 124, 119's bad. We'll probably call it. We'll compare them. So we'll see what it says when it's 119. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm my wallet, and it is a crazy gas fee, like always. So let's see what 119 will look like. 119 is gonna look like 108. Check out our blockchain. 119 is not too bad. A fifth of an ETH. What a deal. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and confirm this transaction. Well, let's see what it looks like when it's only 100. Oh yeah, man, dude. I'm getting so ripped off. Alright, so it's sent out, so now we wait. And once it goes through, then you'll be able to go under your staking guide, see your earned fees, history, etc. And yeah, good times. Anyways, guys, that's how you stake Livepeer, and thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, smash up the like. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash up the subscribe button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithms, guys, and I like to make these videos to teach you guys about different content and different things so you guys can make it out there in the crypto sphere. But guys, we'll leave you with a wisdom one-liner, Proverbs chapter 27, verses 5. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. Well, what I take from this is something that's like a father or a mother disciplining their child. If they don't discipline them or make them better, then it's almost like they don't care about them or love them. So that's what I take from that. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up, and yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order, super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though, Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up.